Oh, I was going to order a curry and... I was going to order a curry, go pick it up, film me picking it up and all that, and sit here with a beer. I'll try again. Ooh, it's ringing. Hi, can I place an order, please? Can I have a chicken shashlik boona with lemon rice, onion bhaji as well, please? That's everything, thank you.
Is it Ben?
Yes.
How are you?
I'm good. How'd you know it was me?
I know.
I had a kebab last time. Oh, you stay safe there. This is torture. Nom, 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 nom. Right. Mint yogurt. The bag of salad, which I wish they didn't give me. Ow, ow, ow. There's fucking ghee all over the place. Onion bhaji. Lemon rice. That's a lot of onion before bed. Ah, gotta stop whapping my fingers on my trousers. Look, moron. Today's beer makes sense to be a mango because curry. Wait, I'll open that near the microphone, I guess. No. God, I've had these headphones for about 12 years and I'm still waiting for one of the sides to have a stroke. Anyway, I should turn the microphone down. Hello, hello, hello. You can hear me, right? I'll have to do that again. Right, I've got my food's here. I still haven't got a table, so you know. Today's can is going to be the Muffin Man can. Mango and blueberry, 6%, Vault City again. That is a nice colour. I'll get better at this, I swear. I'll get better at it. Smell it. Oof. That smells really good. Lovely jubbly. That's pretty good. Not as good as the Tonka, but still good. I'm gonna eat my onion bhajis. This is a great medium for talking, by the way. You know, eating and drinking, so coating your throat in phlegm and then talking for like 10 minutes. Stupid. Not even hungry. Just really fancy the curry. It's Friday tomorrow. I've got to get up at like 4 o'clock in the morning and go to work for 5 till 11. So my room is going to stink of farts later. It's still here. Right. Guess I better talk about something, don't I? Right, so... Anyway, this is just a quick update on the house, really. Electrician came around yesterday and fitted the lights and the fan, all in working condition. Still haven't found someone to tile yet, but you know, that's gonna have to wait at this point because I'm away next weekend, which is why I'm filming this on a Thursday, so I could try and get some videos done, ready and edited for next weekend while I'm not here to upload them. So because of the bathroom situation, I haven't really done much with the rest of the living room. I'm barely here. I will be soon, but I don't want to face like all this mess. So until I can actually clear it up, I don't really want to be here. I'm thinking of keeping the kitchen the same. I might paint it. I might not. I might get some new units put in eventually. Upstairs, all those DVDs that are in that room are going under the stairs. I might mention this in another video, I don't know. I think I calculated I can get about 1,800 under here if I have the shelves made correctly. And then I'm thinking all my TV shows here, where my laptop is right now. I'll buy a sofa here, although I'm going to have issue getting it through the door. So I'm going to have to maybe buy one that I can build inside. I don't know, like in pieces. The projector room, which is the room I painted black. This is for people who don't watch regularly, but that's where I'm sleeping and basically living at the moment. I come down here, I edit, I film these once a week. I do sit here sometimes, but not often. Because I don't have a toilet, in the middle of the night, I have like this like vase thing. I've been peeing in that in the middle of the night. I'm not gonna go outside for pee, right, in the middle of the night. So if I get up and I need to pee, I'll just pee in that. But last night I forgot that it was down here. I didn't want to go down them stairs because typically that's the least noisy they've been in a while. But they creak like mad, right? And I don't want to be going down them at 1 in the morning because the walls here, they're made of rock, but they're quite thin. Anyway, so I have a little bin in my bedroom, which is empty because I emptied it like a day before. There's nothing in there. So I just thought, I'll pee in that. I'll just empty it later. So I peed in it, and I could hear like a... I'm holding the bucket of the bin up. I'm just peeing in it. Don't have to like hold the appendage because it's in the bin. Anyway, so I finished and I could hear. I was like, it's dripping, but I clearly haven't peed over the bucket. So what's going on? There's a crack in the bottom of the bucket. I'm like, shit. So I have to come down here and then pour it out. So yeah, I've peed on my new carpet, technically. A couple of drips up there and probably a drip or two here. So this house is covered in my piss already. And that's not from drinking alcohol. Yeah, so can't really do much until all this is cleared. And in the bathroom, all I gotta do now is find someone to tile. Once that's done, the plumber will be here like ASAP. Get everything in. Then I could start putting the DVDs here in alphabetical order and sorting them out. And then I'm going to get someone from work over and do some measuring and get some custom built like shelving and stuff like that put in here. I'm not sure. Once I've emptied that bedroom, I'm not sure what colour to paint it. I like that back room and how dark it is. And the fact that I can't see anything. So some of you may know I'm a pro wrestling fan. And there's an event coming up on August 27th from AEW, which is the only wrestling company I really watch these days. They've been around since 2019. They've had to survive the pandemic and all that, and they did they managed to grow throughout all that. And they're waning in popularity a little bit, and WWE's on the up. So they're a distant second. Instead of breathing down WWE's neck like they were, they're now a distant second. But they've announced this show. They're finally coming to the UK, and I've been waiting for this for ages. So I was scared I was never going to be able to get tickets for it because I thought, right, it's going to be in Craven Cottage because Tony Khan, the owner of AEW, also owns Fulham Football Club. So I thought it's going to be at Craven Cottage, which is, I'm not sure how much it holds, but I was like, well, if they run it there, there's no chance of me getting a ticket for this show. That's just a small place. So to my surprise, they announced Wembley Stadium, which is a 90,000 capacity venue, which, I'm not sure they'll sell it out. I mean, I doubt it. At time of recording, it's Thursday. Tickets go on general sale tomorrow. So people like me who've got AEW Plus have bagged tickets. Now, as far as I'm aware right now, they've sold 43,000 tickets. Hello, Future Ben here. It's actually Sunday morning as I do this. It's just an update on the AEW ticket sales, which are well over 60,000. It's a gate of over $7 million. I had to record this early because I need to hammer some videos. Otherwise, there won't be a video next week because I'm away. So I'm going to try and edit another few videos today. This is a lot of work, you know. Stupid bastard. Which is very impressive. And I was looking at these tickets on Monday, and I was looking at the £1,495 tickets. It was either go big or go home. And I decided to go home because I hate Ticketmaster and ticket companies are scum. I'd still need to find travel and accommodation, and it just works out well. Like, you're talking about well over $2,000 just to go see one wrestling show when I could just watch it at home. I'd love to be a part of history, but I've got so much going on right now, and I'm making it rain money all over the place at the moment because I've just bought a house and I've got to buy stuff for it. I'm making it rain so much, you think you're at Download Festival 2016. That was a bad joke. Yeah, so I thought I need a new camera. So I'm going to take the money that I was going to spend on the AEW tickets and buy a new camera. Now, it would be great to be a part of history. That show is going to be epic, but it's also going to be epic watching on my projector at home with a beer, knowing that I, managed to spend that money slightly more wisely. But yeah, I'm probably going to regret not going to that show, but such is life, and I'm sure they'll come here again. I'm spilt rice everywhere, you pillock. I got lemon rice all over the carpet. So yeah, gutted about that show, but, that's life, and it was just bad timing. If it wasn't for the pandemic, I'm sure they would have come here a couple of years ago, and I would have managed to have gone. If any of you guys are going there, hope you have a great time. I'm just going to finish the rest of this curry and drink the rest of this. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.